Yo. Yep. Sweet spot, baby. So, been a pretty mad week with the Cortez Air Trainer Huaraches. Yeah, announcement about the white pair, which is crazy. Bit more on that later. But we are going to unbox a shoe, which I don't know. One sec. Okay, would have helped if I knew where they were in the first place. A sneaker that we actually spoke about on the podcast a couple pods ago, or a couple live streams ago. One that I trashed, not gonna lie, don't regret it. I thought I'd order them for the banter. Now, there is a all black colorway, which looks somewhat decent, somewhat wearable. This pair though, yeah, I don't know what Nike are doing with this pair. It looks like something of a Frankenstein type sneaker. Don't get me wrong though, when Nike have actually done two sneakers into one, a sort of mismatched type shoe, like, I don't know, the Vapor Max Plus, that was pretty popular. Pretty cool actually as well. I feel like for every one sneaker that does work or does look good, there's about 5 that doesn't. And yeah, let's see what this one falls into. Now it could be the fact of a different colorway might change a lot of people's mind, but this one was the launch colorway. Yeah, without me waffling too much, let's get into it. Okay. Rightio. Oh man, nothing special, bro. I thought it would be something of a different box. If it was an ugly sneaker, give us at least a decent box. Right, so the official sneaker's name is Nike Air Max Waffle SP, Action Green and Black. Okie dokie. Oh man. I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. The more I look at them, the more I'm liking them. And I don't want to. I really don't want to. Just reminds me of like a 5-a-side, 7-a-side at goals. Or like Wadham Lodge, Walthamstow. Shout out to my East Londoners. Yeah, it's a bit like, I don't know what to make of it. I don't know whether to put my shin pads on, put the full kit on, or run down the track in some short shorts and a vest. Because there's too much going on, bruh. There's like a mad waffle outsole, which looks pretty nice, can't lie. It's just, for me, it's implemented in the wrong way. And I said it before, where it's the right idea, mostly, but it's just not put together well. In a sense of, it looks very much out of place. Like the TN midsole, well, half of the midsole is a TN midsole, which, yeah, looks pretty nice. Very premium, very well put together. Looks nice in terms of the colorway, but they ruin it by giving us the rest with the waffle outsole and the midsole, which yeah, it just looks weird. Now for this to work, I really think it should have been a TN mid and outsole. That would have looked cool. I mean, the upper is actually pretty decent. It's that classic waffle design. There's just too much going on here. I mean, it looks like they've run out of a waffle sneaker and just slapped on the midsole to a TN and thought, yeah, let's just use up what we've got left in the factory. Now, over the years, the iconic waffle outsole and the waffle sneaker in general has been one of Nike's most popular sneakers. From way back when, being initially a running sneaker to now being more of a lifestyle sneaker, I think they're trying to revive it, but they just don't know what to do with it. Like we've had the LD waffles, the Sakai waffles, we've had all the waffle, and yeah, I'm gonna waffle on some more just because I do think they were onto something. It's just, yeah, just a missed opportunity, bruh. Maybe the all black colorway or the all white colorway or even an OG TN colorway might fix this issue, but there's not much you can do with this outsole. Like, it's absolutely hideous. They've even put bits of waffle on the TN outsole. Like, make your mind up, bruh. Okay, so the good thing of things that I do like about this sneaker. Yes, there's more than one, believe it or not. The colorway is pretty nice. The action green, it actually works. I actually like the tongue. It's got that sort of vintage feel. Like I have said already, the Air Max Plus midsole, that looks good. It's just there's not enough of it. And that's it. I don't know what else to say. Like, there's not much else I think on the shoe that looks okay, but could have been done better. That's the problem. And the fact that Nike have had the cheek to put a sprinkle of the TN midsole there, where they could have had so much more to the TN with the waffle, like that would have been so much better, like the whole midsole being a TN. But look, just a quick unboxing to the Air Max Waffle. We are going to try them on now very quickly because it is 12:30 midnight madness. Going to try them on though, just see what the sizing is like, just because the rounded shape to the toe area does worry me, but let's have a butcher's hook and see. And even the back at the heel counter, like what were they thinking? A big bold Nike lettering with that leather panel and then the TN logo, like Why? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, very comfortable. Like, all right, I might be getting ahead of myself, bro. Let me put the other one on. Let's have a little feel. Like Mitchell, Phil Mitchell, shout out EastEnders. Fun fact, EastEnders was actually based on two places where I grew up. Chingford and Walthamstow. Walford, it's the things you know. Is that the saying? The things you don't know. Anyways, in terms of sizing, spot on. Like my toe sits around here, which I can deal with. They're comfy, they're snug, but not too snug. And yeah, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, bro, why are you always wearing these joggers in your videos? I've got about 4 pairs of these. They're the Gap vintage joggers. I know a lot of people keep asking me about these joggers, but yeah, got about 4 pairs of them, absolutely love them. And I don't know if they go like with the joggers and the shoes, but I just can't get over how comfy they are. Like just the upper alone on feet. There is something here. And you might be asking, what am I putting in my kebab? What chili sauce have Nike given me to talk these up? But honestly, there's something about this upper. It's like spongy, it's like very well put together. But in terms of comfort and the on-foot experience, yeah, definitely a winner, and I was not prepared to say that beforehand. But sizing wise, broskies, honestly, I'd go true to size. If you like a bit more room or you don't like that sort of snug feel, then yeah, half a size up. But for me, true to size. Like a birthday party I didn't know about. I'm surprised. Like I can't explain it now. I can't remember the retail price. Let me just double check. Okay, so these were actually 130, which to be fair, isn't too bad. I know there's like only a sprinkle of the TN DNA on this shoe. Yeah, and the black version's out already. Since when, bro? I'm gonna leave some purchase links down below where I can, broskies, for this colorway and apparently the black pair, which is already out, which I'm upset about. I would have got that first, but yeah, we're here now, broskies. Obviously, if you do want them, click the link down below, help out your boy. It's mad what something can do when you get them in hand and you try them on foot. Not to say they're not the ugly stepsister, the Frankenstein of Nike sneakers put together, but there's something here. Can't explain. And it's not that often where I get a pair of shoes which I was like, nope, ugly, can't believe it, what are they thinking? Even at the start of this video, like I was ready, bro. I was ready to fight them. There's something here though. There is something here. Can't explain it. I really can't. It might just be the fact of different colorways to make it work. Maybe. Not too happy about the outsole, the waffle outsole. Could have been done a lot better. Could have been more TN on this sneaker. But on foot, with the uppers especially, they've done something here. They have. Anyways, before I leave you, let me know down below what you think about these. Are they as ugly as I've been saying, or do they look somewhat decent? And are you going for these? Let me know down below. Also, this is being recorded on Friday night. Saturday, which is probably already happened by the time you see this video. Saturday morning, Cortez Clint has done a very cool thing, I think, and I'm going to be speaking about it in the Cortez Air Trainer Huarache video. The white pair that we know about is all leather for a start. That's crazy. Very nice. They're not actually coming out in the UK. They're going to be shipping abroad apparently. And he's doing a thing called Manny Maze, where it's a maze in Manchester. Very creative, actually, the names. He's gonna send a location or post it up around 10:15 in the morning, allegedly. And you go into a maze in this location, you try and find a Huarache and locate it. If you get it, you win. Apparently it's the first 100 people, which is kind of cool. Like the marketing behind that is sick. Like he's always done things like this, which is so cool for the sneaker culture and fans of the brand and the sneakers as well. I am 50-50 about going just because I've got things happening. So yeah, things like that gets people interested in the shoe more, interested in the brand, creates a bit of buzz. Very cool. Just wanted to let you guys know, broskies. It's probably already happened by the time you've seen this. And yeah, just wanted to let you know. It's kind of cool, you know? Anyways, the Air Max Waffle. Let me know. Waffle on down there in the comments. Are you a fan? Are you not? Are these hideous? Are they decent looking? But yeah, you have to try them on. I'm telling you now. Anyways, broskies, don't forget to like, comment, share. And yes, till the next episode. Take care.